Yun. So
Yeah.
IoT can do a lot for the government mandate, the government law called RA 11285. There's such a
Mm-mm.
law now wherein companies that consume more than 50,000 kilowatt hours a year have to report to the Department of Energy ano power consumption nyo during the past year. And how is it being done now?
Manual.
Again, sukat-sukat, electric meter, babasahin nung maintenance, i-key-in, sasubmit sa Excel, ganon. So paano ka makakapag-comply sa DOE? E didodoktorin mo, di ba?
Mm.
Or nakalimutan. May malaki yung, you have to comply, but then how do you comply if everything is manual?